Hi guys, and welcome to another video from Total Technik. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove your outer vent. This is for the driver's side on the A6, S6 and RS6, C5, saloon and Avant. So let's get started. Now the key to successfully removing these vents without damaging them is the clips that hold them into the dashboard, which are actually on the lower section. Now if you look just about there, you can see kind of a little hook that's poking up towards the back there. You can just about see that, and there's the same on the other side. You can just about see the top of that one peeking out there. So these are the ones that we've got to very carefully attack to get this successfully removed. So let's give it a try. So what I'm going to use for these are little spike tools. You get these in when you buy a little case of hook tools. You often get this one that's a straight spike. This is ideal. You can also use things like cocktail sticks, but they tend to be a little bit soft. Flat-headed screwdrivers can also be used, provided you've got very narrow ones. They're pretty good as well. But this is what I'm going to be using here today. So again, just feed it into the kind of eye, lift it down, push it through and lock it in like so. Just do that again on the other side. Hopefully you guys can see that. Bend that down, push that through to lock it in. So that's the top two. We're going to do the same on the bottom two. Now, as I mentioned before in the video, we can use cocktail sticks to hook these. Problem is with cocktail sticks, they're not very strong, and because this is a particularly difficult one to get out, I'm actually going to use 4 of these little spike tools. What you can do is here's one of the ones that came in one of the hook sets. It's not a straight one, but it's straight enough. So what you can do is kind of use some of the other tools that came in your set to try and get these locked open like so. That's basically what you've got to do. You've got to get all 4 locked open. Like I say, cocktail sticks if you've got nothing else, but if you can, obviously something metal is going to be far superior, because we need a little bit more leverage on this one because it's so small. And what you'll find when you're separating these, to kind of fully disengage the top ones, you've got to pull those up, so obviously that pulls the little tab down, and likewise when you come to do these ones, you come doing the kind of opposite direction, if that makes any sense. So that one's going up, that one's going down, so when this one goes up, the tab comes down, when that goes down, the tab goes up. So you've kind of got to pull these in opposite directions, so it can be a little bit fiddly. So if you start on the outside edge, there we go. So what I'm doing is, as I said before, I'm kind of levering these out so they're at their maximum, and I can feel that edge is disengaged there. So that's going to be the easy side. It's the inner edge which is the harder of the two. You've got the bottom edge completely. There it comes. It is a bit of a wrestling match with this one. If you take your time and kind of give it backwards and forwards, what you've got to find is you've got to kind of, particularly on this one because it's so short for some reason, you've got to really press them quite hard to compress these little tabs, which is obviously what we're trying to do. These are the tabs that we're compressing from the inside. On these particular ones, you've got to press them really hard, especially the top ones. But as you can see, with a little bit of wrestling, I mean that took me probably 4 or 5 minutes to get that out. So I mean, take your time. There's no rush. Take 10-15 minutes. So you will get it out, but just kind of try and feel which clips are disconnecting, and then try and keep that clip out, and then work at it from a different angle, and eventually you'll get it. So a quick electrical connection to disconnect, and that's this one done. So just pull that forward like so. As you can see, you've got this kind of little security tab in the middle, so grab a little flathead screwdriver, push that in, open it up just a little bit, just enough to slide that security tab out like so. So that's that vent removed.